At our school, the arts are alive. We provide many opportunities for our students to develop poise and confidence through music, theater, and dance. All of our children preschool 3 through 5th grade enjoy creative movement and music classes weekly. It is such a joy to be able to watch children learn through music and through play. We also allow all of the children preschool 3 through 5th grade the opportunity to perform on the stage. We begin that at an early age. And consequently, we have been able to develop very confident public speakers throughout our programs. Each grade level in the lower school as well does a musical production throughout the school year. In middle school, we offer middle school drama as well as stage design classes, and our students also perform in a Broadway junior production, which is a musical production for the entire middle school. In upper school, we offer a fall play and a spring musical production.
In drama class, we explore everything from stage directions, the history of theater, writing and speaking monologues, creating our own puppets and skits and performing them, as well as dissecting Broadway plays and musicals, creating our own playbills, and helping Miss Ann with things she needs on the sets of our plays at Carlisle School.
Children in kindergarten through 5th grade come to the art room once a week, and we learn about so many things with our art program. We learn about famous painters and artists from a very young age. In kindergarten, the children are learning about Van Gogh, and in 2nd grade, we're learning about Monet and then Keith Haring, and as we go on up, the children are learning about lots of different artists like Louise Nevelson, and it's just a wonderful way to incorporate art history into our art program. Also, our children are learning about the principles and elements of design, and we get to use many different types of art media throughout the year. We have a really nice art program that's well-rounded, and the children come out with a very good knowledge of artists and types of art media.
I look forward to welcoming you to our Carlisle family, and take a look at us, and we would love to have you be a part of everything that we do here to develop the outstanding students that we call our Carlisle Chiefs.